Hi, this is Anil from Learning Led Education and welcome to the What's the Output video series on C Programming language. Here we're going to give you a C program and we're going to ask you guys to guess the output of the program and then we're going to explain the output. So all you need to do is pause this movie and take a look at the source code which is here in the editor and then come up with the output of the program. Once you have an answer, just play the movie and I'm going to explain the output. Alright, now I believe that you guys have an answer for this program. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna build and run this. So it's gonna be build and run, and the answer, or the output of this program is gonna be 1. Alright, now why the heck we're gonna get the output as 1? In this main function we have this variable I, and inside this printf function we have return I equal to plus plus I, and then the comparison operator equal to 4, and this expression will be treated like this. That's because the comparison operator, this double equal to, has higher precedence than the equal to assignment operator, and that's why this expression will be grouped like this. And first plus plus I will be executed and it's gonna yield 4, and then it is compared with the value 4, whether 4 equal to 4 as true, and that's why it's gonna return 1. 1 is considered as true and 0 is considered as false, and that's why that 1 will be stored in this variable I, and this printf function is gonna display that value 1. So this is it guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my website learningled.com for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.